Most people say that if the Tesla Optimus robot is able to clean the house and take care of basic chores, then it's definitely worth it. The idea that a machine can take care of many daily tasks like mopping the floor, wiping windows, vacuuming the carpet, or washing the dishes is something we could only imagine in science fiction movies. But now, this is becoming real because the Tesla bot is here. It will take care of household work and can run for around 8 hours non-stop. Elon Musk has said many times that the Tesla bot is a product worth far more than what people will pay to buy it. Welcome to my channel, Amp Drive. If you're excited about the future of Tesla, AI, and everything Elon Musk is cooking up, do us a huge favor and tap that red subscribe button. We only have 16 amazing subscribers right now, and your support could be what rockets this channel to the moon, literally and virtually. Be part of our founding crew and say, I subscribed before it was cool. So, how useful is the Tesla bot in the real world? What features make it capable of becoming a real homemaker? Let's explore what makes this robot so special. Optimus is a humanoid robot designed to handle boring and repetitive tasks, the kind of chores no one really likes to do. But when it comes to humanoid robots, not everyone thinks the same. When people hear the term humanoid robot, they often picture a machine that can walk, talk, cook meals, clean the house, and maybe even take care of children or older adults. That's how most of us think about it. But behind those exciting thoughts are also a lot of questions that aren't so easy to answer. A lot of people are still worried when they think about humanoid robots. What if it takes away jobs from humans? Will there be more unemployment once these robots are everywhere? These concerns are not just guesses, they are based on things we've seen happen already. So it's understandable that many people fear we're stepping too quickly into a future that we still don't fully understand. Some people even laugh when they see humanoid robots. That's because every month or so, we hear that company A or brand B has launched a new robot that can do amazing things. But then, it disappears like it never existed. This is the story with many robots we've heard about. That's why some people think these robots are nothing more than lab experiments that never make it to the real world. Others go even further and make fun of robots when they see them walk slowly, losing balance, and looking like they're learning how to walk for the first time. There are lots of funny videos where people joke that a robot is walking like Biden, or looks drunk. Yes, we've all seen it and laughed. But after deeply studying humanoid robots, especially after Tesla showed the Optimus robot, many had to rethink their views. What we saw 2 years ago is very different from what's happening today. Optimus hasn't vanished. Instead, it's improving, both in how it works and how it looks. And this is just the beginning. Elon Musk said recently, so many improvements to come in the next design of Optimus. Musk has spent a lot of money developing this robot, and Tesla is treating the project very seriously. Musk believes this will be the smartest and most advanced robot in the world, and he's confident that everyone will eventually want to own one. Think about it, your very own robot friend who also cleans your home, cuts your grass, walks your dog, teaches your kids, watches your baby, prepares your food, or simply keeps you company. Musk even said Optimus will be capable of helping to create goods and services. It can be your assistant, housekeeper, teacher, and more. The truth is, each time Tesla shows a new demo of the bot, it gets better. Now it can handle many tasks that most people want help with, especially cleaning the house. It can pick up trash, open a garbage bin, put a bag inside, wipe a table, tear off a paper towel, stir food in a pot, use a vacuum to clean the floor, open cabinets, and pull curtains closed. Before this, it already showed it could check packages, serve drinks, fold laundry, clean up a messy kitchen, water plants, open a car trunk to grab items, play games with family members, dance, and even answer simple questions. And all of this happened in less than 2 years. Tesla confirmed that Optimus can follow voice commands or understand what a person wants through facial expressions and hand gestures. This is especially useful for people who can't talk easily, they can just use emotion, and Optimus will figure out what to do. You'll even be able to personalize the robot's voice and style. It will learn your habits and know what you want without you needing to speak. Imagine waking up and seeing Optimus already cleaning your living room, vacuuming carpets, wiping your dining table, and washing the dishes from last night. It could also take out the trash and organize items around the house. Its ability to do many things at once comes from a mix of smart artificial intelligence, vision sensors, cameras, and an advanced design that fits in any size home, from a small flat to a big house. The new Optimus hand is one of its biggest upgrades. The design is completely enclosed, no visible wires or parts. The hand can move in 22 different ways, making it act almost like a real human hand. The outer material is high quality and nearly waterproof. The fingers are filled with touch sensors, so the robot knows how hard to grip something. This means it can hold delicate things like glass cups or clean mirrors without damaging anything. In fact, Optimus has already shown that it can hold an egg without breaking it. This new hand also helps the robot handle multiple tasks. 1 minute it's holding a vacuum, and the next it's sweeping up crumbs or organizing plates. Maybe not in 2025, but by 2026, you might be able to ask it to do a full list of tasks in one go. Optimus learns by watching video, which is called sim-to-real learning. It trains on video footage of people doing different jobs, so it knows how to react in real life. For example, if it sees a dirty spot on a counter, it will focus on that spot instead of wasting time on clean areas. Thanks to its sensors and cameras, Optimus builds a 3D map of your home. It moves carefully, avoiding pets, kids, or wires. Now, people might ask, does the robot know when its hands are dirty? Let's say it cleans a bathroom and then starts handling your food without washing its hands. That would be disgusting, right? Luckily, this wasn't ignored by Tesla. Optimus has an AI system that checks whether its hands are clean based on what it just did and what the sensors on its fingers detect. So yes, if it does a dirty job, it will know to wash its hands before doing something clean. You can even tell it to wash its hands, and it will. Think about a machine that can keep working for 8 to 10 hours straight, and you don't even need to worry about charging it. That's possible now because Tesla upgraded from the old 2170 battery to the newer 4680 battery. The battery is built right into the body, which makes the robot lighter and stronger. The first version of Optimus weighed around 160 pounds, but the second version dropped to 138 pounds. The new battery holds about 3 kilowatt-hours of power, which is enough for up to 10 hours depending on the type of work. One amazing feature of Optimus is its ability to learn from video. It watches and copies what people do. It can see a video of someone cooking, fixing a machine, or cleaning, and learn the steps by watching. Then it can copy those actions nearly perfectly. A human might need days or weeks to learn a new skill, but Optimus only needs a few minutes. It watches a cooking video, trains virtually using AI, and once it's confident, it can walk into your kitchen and do the same task. You can also teach it directly. If you show it how to fold a shirt once, it will remember. If it makes a mistake, a small correction is enough, it will improve immediately. Even more powerful is how Optimus shares knowledge. If one robot learns something, all the others can learn it too by connecting to the cloud. So if 1,000 robots each learn something new every day, they all get 1,000 new skills. Elon Musk has even said Optimus could help explore Mars. In March, he posted that Starship will head to Mars with Optimus on board. If things go well, humans could follow by 2029 or 2031. Optimus doesn't need GPS, it uses a 2D camera system to move around, which works great on Mars. It's been tested on stairs and uneven ground and can adapt slowly but steadily. This opens up new possibilities, robots exploring caves and rocky terrain where wheels can't go. The real strength of Optimus isn't just how it moves, but how smart it is. It can learn from the land around it, check rocks and minerals, and even find water, something crucial for survival on Mars. It might one day set up power systems, carry supplies, or put down sensors in places where no one has gone before. A big question is how Tesla will charge it on Mars, but if Musk solves that, then the sky's the limit. 2 years ago, the robot race was mostly between Tesla Optimus and Boston Dynamics Atlas. But now, many more companies are joining the game, including teams from China and the US. We're not saying Tesla is the best robot company in the world right now, but Optimus clearly has the most potential to change how people live and work. If it still looks slow, don't worry, it's being improved every day. Building a robot like this means writing millions of lines of code, testing hundreds of control systems, and doing years of research. It might seem rough now, but it's part of the process. All great tech looks clumsy at first. But once you stop expecting perfection right away and understand that robots evolve, every small improvement becomes a big step forward. Musk called Optimus Tesla's biggest product ever. That's because it's not just a cleaning robot, it could change the way factories work, how homes are maintained, and even how people do business. It can work all day and night, doesn't get tired, and keeps learning. It might even bring down production costs by 20 to 30% and open up new jobs by making robot services available to rent by the hour. Now, some wonder why the real price might be higher than the $20,000 Musk once said. The answer is simple, this robot is like a tireless worker. It could save people tens of thousands of dollars in labor each year. When you compare that to the cost, $20,000 actually sounds cheap. Even though Tesla Bot Gen 3 came out a bit later than planned, the wait was worth it. It gave Tesla time to improve the robot, add useful features, and make sure it runs smoothly. Remember, this isn't a flashy gadget. It's a serious machine built to live and work in our world. And this is only the start. The early models may have some limits, but future versions will act fully on their own, no coding needed. Just say what you want, and it will do it. Thanks for watching. If you want more exciting updates about Tesla EVs or the Tesla Bot, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AMP Drive. Hit the bell so you never miss a new video. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see you again soon.